Hello. Here are some simple, everyday English conversations. Let's start. At the post office.
Good morning. I want to send this package to my sister.
Good morning. Where does your sister live?
She lives in California, in Los Angeles.
Okay, let me weigh your package first. Please put it on the scale.
Here you go. Is it heavy?
It weighs 2 kilograms. That is not too heavy.
Good. How much will it cost to send?
That depends on the shipping speed. Do you want regular or express?
What is the difference?
Regular takes 7 to 10 days and costs $15. Express takes 2 to 3 days but costs $30.
I am not in a hurry. Regular is fine.
Perfect. I need the address, please.
Let me write it down for you. Here it is.
Thank you. Do you want to insure the package?
What does that mean?
If the package gets lost or damaged, we will pay you back.
How much does insurance cost?
For this package, $3.
Okay, I will take the insurance.
Good choice. So that is $15 for shipping and $3 for insurance, $18 total.
Here's $20.
Thank you. Here's your change and receipt. Keep the receipt. It has the tracking number.
What is a tracking number?
You can use it online to see where your package is.
That is helpful. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Your sister should receive it next week. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. Morning routine. Good morning, Alex. You look tired today.
Good morning, Sarah. Yes, I woke up late this morning.
Oh no. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7:30. My alarm did not ring.
That is terrible. What is your morning routine usually?
Usually, I wake up at 6. Then I take a shower and eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually have cereal with milk and a banana. Sometimes I have toast with eggs.
That sounds healthy. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I always drink 1 cup of coffee. I cannot start my day without it.
Me too. I love coffee in the morning. What time do you leave home?
I usually leave at 7:30 to catch the bus.
But today you woke up late. How did you get here?
I took a taxi. It was expensive, but I did not want to be late.
I understand. Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I go jogging before breakfast, but not every day.
That is great. I should exercise more.
We can go jogging together sometime.
That sounds wonderful. Let us do it this weekend.
Perfect. I will call you on Saturday morning.
Great. See you then. Talking about work. Hi, Alex. How is work going?
Hi, Sarah. Work is very busy right now. We have a big project.
Oh, really? What kind of project?
We are creating a new website for a client. It is a lot of work.
That sounds interesting. What do you do exactly?
I am a web designer. I design the pages and choose the colors.
Wow, that is a creative job. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love it, but sometimes it is stressful when we have tight deadlines.
I understand. When is the deadline for this project?
Next Friday, so we are working extra hours this week.
That is tough. How many hours do you work per day?
Usually 8 hours, but this week maybe 10 or 11 hours.
That is a lot. What time do you start work?
I start at 9 in the morning and finish at 6. But this week I finish at 8 or 9 at night.
Do you work on weekends too?
Sometimes, but I hope not this weekend. I need rest.
You really do. What do you like most about your job?
I like being creative and seeing the final result. It makes me proud.
That is wonderful. And what about your coworkers?
They're great. We work well together as a team.
That is important. Good luck with your project.
Thank you so much. I will need it.
Talking about health. Alex, you do not look well today. Are you okay?
Not really. I have a cold. My nose is running and my throat hurts.
Oh no, that is not good. Do you have a fever?
I had a fever yesterday, but it is better today.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, I took some medicine last night before bed. It helped a little.
Good. Are you drinking enough water?
Yes, I am drinking lots of water and hot tea with honey.
That is good for your throat. Are you eating well?
Not really. I do not have much appetite. I just ate some soup.
Soup is perfect when you are sick. Did you see a doctor?
No, not yet. I think it is just a common cold.
Maybe you should rest at home today instead of working.
I know, but I have an important meeting this afternoon.
Your health is more important than work. You should go home after the meeting.
You're right. I will go home early today.
Good. Make sure you get plenty of sleep tonight.
I will. I went to bed late last night. That was a mistake.
Yes, sleep is very important for getting better. Do you take vitamins?
Sometimes I take vitamin C. Maybe I should take it every day.
That is a good idea, especially in winter. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Sarah. You're a good friend.
Making weekend plans. Hey, Alex. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not yet. I'm free both Saturday and Sunday. What about you?
I want to do something fun. Do you want to hang out?
Sure, that sounds great. What do you want to do?
Maybe we can go to the park if the weather is nice.
Good idea. What time should we meet?
How about Saturday afternoon at 2 o'clock?
Perfect. Should we bring anything?
Yes, let us bring some snacks and drinks for a picnic.
I love picnics. I can bring sandwiches and fruit.
Great. I will bring juice and cookies. What if it rains?
Then we can go to the shopping mall instead.
Good plan. There's a new cafe at the mall I want to try.
Oh yes, I heard about it. They have amazing desserts.
Exactly. We can have lunch there and then go shopping.
Sounds perfect. Should we invite Tom and Lisa too?
Yes, the more friends, the more fun. I will text Lisa.
And I will call Tom tonight to ask him.
Wonderful. Where should we all meet?
Let us meet at the park entrance near the fountain.
Okay. If the weather's bad, we will text everyone to meet at the mall instead.
Perfect plan. I'm excited about Saturday.
Me too. It will be so much fun. Asking for help. Excuse me, Alex. Do you have a minute? I need some help.
Of course, Sarah. What do you need help with?
I am having trouble with my computer. It is not working properly.
Oh no. What is the problem exactly?
It is very slow and keeps freezing. I cannot open my files.
That sounds frustrating. How long has this been happening?
Since this morning, I tried restarting it, but nothing changed.
That is strange. Did you install any new programs recently?
Yes, I installed a new app yesterday. Maybe that is the problem?
That could be it. Would you like me to take a look?
Would you mind? I would really appreciate it.
Not at all. I'm happy to help. Let me see your computer.
Thank you so much. You are a lifesaver. Here it is.
No problem. Let me check a few things. This might take a few minutes.
Take your time. I am not in a hurry.
Okay, I think I found the issue. That new app is using too much memory.
Really? Should I uninstall it?
Yes, I think that would help. Let me do it for you.
Thank you. I do not know what I would do without you.
You're welcome. There, all done. Try opening your files now.
Wow, it is working perfectly now. You are amazing.
I'm glad I could help. If you have any more problems, just let me know.
I definitely will. Thank you again so much.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
Ending a conversation.
Alex, this has been really nice, but I need to get going soon.
Oh, sure, no problem. Do you have somewhere to be?
Yes, I have a dentist appointment at 4 o'clock.
A dentist appointment? I hope everything is okay.
Yes, just a regular checkup, nothing serious.
That is good. Well, I do not want to make you late.
Thank you for understanding. I really enjoyed our conversation today.
Me too. It's always nice talking with you. You always make me laugh.
You are too kind. You are a great conversationalist yourself.
Thank you. Before you leave, can I ask you one quick question?
Of course. What is it?
Are you going to the office party next month?
Yes, I plan to go. Are you going too?
Yes, maybe we can go together.
That sounds wonderful. Let us talk about it more later.
Perfect. I'll send you a message this week.
Great. Well, I really must run now, or I will be late.
Absolutely. Do not let me keep you. Good luck at the dentist.
Thank you. It was lovely seeing you today.
Likewise. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Talk to you soon.
Yes. Take care, Sarah.
Bye, Alex.